channel. I hope you all are doing great. तो आज की वीडियो में we're gonna do no foundation dewy glass finish look. You're going to love it because we're not using too many products and we're gonna achieve this look. It's super easy. Even if you're a beginner, you can just do it. It's that easy. Now I don't want to waste more time. Let's get into the video. Okay, now let's get started. So our first step will be cleansing our face. I will also recommend you to just exfoliate your face. It can be a physical exfoliator or a chemical one because that is going to give you a nice smooth surface to do your makeup on. And because in today's video we're not using any foundation, we need to prep our skin really well. Okay, so now my most favorite part and the most effective step of this whole look, which is going to be the Lakme Lumi cream. I just love this product. It just instantly gives you this beautiful glow. It got a tint of highlighter. So for whole dewy look we are going to create today, we don't need a highlighter. This cream is just enough. And I love how this works. I'm also going to show you the before after shot right after I apply it so that you know what I'm talking about, because it does make a huge difference. So basically this gives you like a glass skin dewy finish look, gives your skin this radiance and super light on your skin. And because it's got a tint of highlighter, it makes your skin glow so beautifully. And the best part is it got a UV filter which blends like a dream, and look at my skin, it looks so radiant. I absolutely love it. It gives me the best makeup finish without using any makeup. Okay, now my next step will be my concealer. So I'm only going to apply it under my eyes, but if you have blemishes, even toned skin, so आप उसको भी cover कर सकते हो इससे, but today I'm just using it under my eyes. That's it. Okay, now my next step will be my eyes. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm using the lightest shade on my palette, this nice nude pink, which I absolutely love. I'm going to mix it with my Lakme Lumi cream so that it gives a nice highlighted dewy finish even on my eyelids, and it blends more beautifully. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my eyeshadow and mix it with the cream. Lakme Lumi cream got vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B3, glycerine and hyaluronic acid. I love my eye look. It looks more hydrated and dewy and it goes with the whole look. Now I'm going to quickly just add my mascara. So now again I'm going to take my lipstick and mix it with my Lakme Lumi cream. I really like such products when you can use them in so many different ways. It's going to make my skin more radiant. It's going to give that nice dewy finish. Also it gives like a glass finish, which I absolutely love. So we're using very little makeup and more of this cream so that we get the look we want. I'm going to use my you can take any of your pink lipstick. So just apply it like this and then just add a little bit of your Lakme Lumi cream. And also because it's got highlighter, so it's going to help you with that. Mix it really well, because if you do that, application काफी easy हो जाएगा. I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks now. So you guys can see कितनी beautifully blend हुआ है, and that's why it's very easy to blend on my cheeks. If you want, you can take your lipstick and keep adding the the pigment how much you want, and I think this much is enough for every day. And if you guys can see, I really don't need a highlighter because I've applied the Lumi cream. So वो already बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे reflect हो रहा है and I absolutely love that. So now it's time to do my lips. I am just loving this product. You can use this in so many different ways. Like every time you need some radiance, every time you want your skin to just glows and glows naturally, which I absolutely love. I would just mix this with that product and trust me, this is like a must have. It's the hero product for this video. And now I'm gonna do my lipstick. So I'm using a matte lipstick, but of course some dewy finish kare. So we also need some dewy effect on our lips. I'm going to top it up with my Lumi cream and trust me, you're going to love this. I just love this look. I love how naturally my skin glows, and this can be your everyday makeup look because you know your skin just glows from within, and it's only because of this product. I love such products which can be used in so many different ways. This is priced at $2.99 only, which is very affordable and works beautifully. Even if you have dry skin, oily skin, it doesn't make your skin greasy at all or oily, nothing like that. So I think this would work for you amazingly. I'm gonna give you the link of all the products in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And that was all for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.